Let's draw one of my favourite birds that we get in my backyard, the Rainbow Lorikeet. Let's start with a circle, and in today's video I'm going to simplify this down to be a cartoon Rainbow Lorikeet. Keep watching to check out the cheeky cockatoo and the Rainbow Lorikeet at my bird feeder. So funny. So we've drawn two circles and now we're putting the claws on with two straight lines. Now I'm going to put a branch in between. Now if you wanted to, it could be a straight branch or it could actually branch off into different parts like that. Okay, so there's the branch and the feet. Now from the toe there, I'm going to bring a line and curve it down in like this, and I'm going to do the same on this side. And now I'm going to do like a letter U there, and here I'm going to do a line exactly the same but just inside that line. The next thing we're going to do is let's draw a straight up and down line from there, from this point up to here, so straight down. I find it easier to drag than push. Okay, so directly above here we're going to leave a bit of space and we're going to bring a curved line around like this, and we're going to do the same on here. So directly above, curve it around like this. Now you can turn your page around if you need to, it's okay. Now from here we're just going to bring a line like that. Now because it's Rainbow Lorikeet, we're going to have a rainbow and it's almost going to be like a necklace. So we're going to bring a curve down, make sure it hits the top of those lines and then comes back into that corner. Going to draw a smaller, almost a U shape. And then we're going to do another one. And these will be different coloured areas of the Rainbow Lorikeet. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to draw almost a letter C here. And then we're going to draw another little C shape like this. Okay. Now we're going to bring this line down and around like that because this is going to be the beak. And then we're going to draw a line coming back like that for the beak. Now what we have to do is from here, we have to pretty much draw a curved line all the way down to there. So curve it out, bring it around, and then curve him in like that. Now I'm going to put my eye here. One circle, two circles, you guessed it, three circles, the twinkle in the eye, and I'm just going to colour that in, make that look good. And now I'm going to bring this line through here, and then last part is this bit.